eka 26 mag lo mano ma sikund secondary Manyabola Girls e kaunti ma Homa Bay. EACC ne opimo tong' ma lop sikund no manyien ma oyudi ni eka 26 nogol oko momi kanisa moro e gwengego kendo ma olok nyinge ni Nyabola SDA Secondary School. Nyabola Girls manochaki higa 68 ne omi lopno kama bang'e no ero nokawe kod riwruok mar Kenya Lakefield mane ogere skul moro mar secondary kachiel kod ute mamoko mag dak.
There are some people in the area who normally call them big fishes. They want to pluck and they also want to trade inside this thing without us knowing as villagers. This is a government school, but right now we find that the school has been rented by the Advent Church, whereby we always talk with them to leave for us the school to go to the government as it is was.
Tunataka waende wawache shule. Hata Nyabola next tulianza juzi inafanya vizuri kuliko hapa. Tangu ianze 69 hakuna watoto wameenda university, haijafanya chochote. Kwa hivyo tunaona afadhali waende wawache serikali watimishe vile serikali nataka na hiyo land.
Currently we are carrying out an investigation touching on land parcel in Rachuonyo sub-county of Homa Bay. We received information that on that land is a school institution which was public, was initiated as a public institution, Nyabola Girls Secondary School, and with time, under circumstances that we are yet to establish, the same property was converted into a private institution and is being run privately now. It sits on a 10.6 hectares or approximately 26 acres of land. So now we want to establish the circumstances under which a private facility is sitting on public land.